Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can make a song with Mozart AI. In order to do so, here we are at getmozart.ai, and we're also at mozartai.app. If you look up Mozart AI, you're going to get two options. Now, I could tell you with Mozart AI .app is that if you try to create music, then you're going to run into a subscription wall. So it says that there's a free version where you can create songs, but it doesn't seem like there is actually a way of doing that. So let's take a look at getmozart.ai and see if we encounter similar resistance. I've already started an account, and so what we're going to do, we have our starting point here. It says we can build layered loops, we can record or upload vocals, we can start with the song concept, we can upload a track to remix. Most likely the easiest way to start is going to use the describe function, so let's go ahead and do that. And now wants to control and reprogram your MIDI devices. Well, I'm not going to be doing that right now. Describe the vibe, genre, instruments, or feeling you want in your song. And let's go ahead and select Inspire Me. Likes those synthwave options, and let's go ahead and hit Generate Song. So now that is hard at work. So far, so good. We've actually been able to get to this point without getting running into a subscription wall. So we'll be able to see here what the results are like. Describe your sound and style to generate a complete song with stems. So that is interesting. The fact that it's going to be generating with stems, that's a little bit different from some of the other platforms there. So we have a 45-second song here. So that'll give us at least somewhere to start. We've got version A and we've got version B. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Neon lights behind my eyes, floating through electric skies. Take me back where memories glow. In midnight waves we let it flow. Our hearts align in pastel dreams. You're haunting me in laser beams. Silent echoes call your name. We disappear within the flame.
Okay, so the results there are pretty nice. Now, the only thing is that it is quite short. So I think there was an option there to change the length before. We could take a look at that here in a moment. But let's go ahead and click on Get Started. I'm curious to see what we find here. Okay, so no stem split, use the full song as one track. That is instant. Basic stem split, that's fast. Advanced stem split, that gives you 10 separated vocal and instrument stems. So that's interesting. So there you go. So if you just want one track, then that's instant. If you want instrument and vocals, that's fast. That's the basic. And then we can also do the 10 separated vocal and instrument stems as well. Since I think what we'll do is we'll do the advanced version. Those other two are fairly self-explanatory, but I'm curious to see what happens when we select the advanced version. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Now that is splitting our stems. And so far so good. Again, the only thing that I'm curious about is whether or not we can change the length of the song, because 45 seconds is quite short, but depending on what you're using it for, that might be more than enough. We'll just let this continue to work here. Okay, and it seems like we're getting close to the finish line here. You can see some action going on in the background. It's still kind of back there. We'll just give it a few more moments here. And there we go. We have now created our different stems, and this is really quite nice because this Really set up quite a bit like a traditional DAW. So we can create new clips by dragging directly on tracks in the arrangement view. Drag on tracks to create audio or MIDI clips automatically. Use the track agent to generate content for empty clips. Interesting. We'll go ahead and click next. Here we've got our playback controls. Learn how to play your project, set loop regions, and use essential controls for your music production workflow. So that's really quite interesting as well. Reference your favorite songs or artists to guide all AI models with your desired style, mood, and genre. Manipulate clips in the arrangement view to build your song structure. Zoom in and out, resize clips, delete clips, copy and paste clips, duplicate clips. Next. Advanced sample management with AI-powered audio content search for effortless organization and discovery. AI-powered audio content search with natural language. Find samples by description. Import your collections. Access saved loop gen generations. Add an audio and MIDI track to the track arrangement. Click on Add Track. Right-click to delete. AI agents that generate high-quality context-aware content for individual tracks. Open the track agent by clicking on the track. Rename the track by, and select the channel through settings. Generate audio or MIDI content based on track type. Harmonic consistency with other project tracks. Select a portion of a clip to improvise. Okay, so I think this is to replace it. Get improvisations. Describe the changes you want in the selected region. All AI completions for melody, chords, bass, and drums triggered by the tab key in the clip editor. Open the piano roll by double-clicking the clip. Press tab in the piano roll for instant AI completions. Navigate through infinite suggestions. Always use referencing with tab to get best results. Let's get started. Okay. Now, is this just taking us? Yeah, this is just taking us through the same thing again. So we'll just hit skip on that. So here we go. We have our stems and they're all separated nicely. We have our mixer. So this is really quite impressive so far what I'm seeing with Mozart, get Mozart.ai, not Mozart.ai.app. So if you are looking for the real deal, then go to get Mozart.ai.ai. So we have some interesting stuff here. So we'll we don't really need to hit play because we already listened to it. We have some very interesting selections here, options here in order to get specific results. The fact that we have everything separated into stems. Then let's see, how can we, okay, then we have our export option here at the top left-hand corner. We can export that as audio or as MIDI. So that's interesting. The fact that we can export that as MIDI, that is kind of a big deal, because that means that if you are a music producer yourself, then you can take this into your favorite DAW with the MIDI and then you could play around with it there. So that's really quite interesting. So I like what I'm seeing here with Mozart. I think that they have an interesting take on music creation and the results are really quite nice. The only thing I'm not certain about is that time limit. Let's go ahead and go back. Okay, so that's going to bring us back here. Okay, we want to go to new project. Go to describe. Okay, then here we go. It says 45 seconds. So we can do it up to 2 minutes. So that appears to be the current limitation. Now, it could be that if we do the pro version, then that might change our limits there. Now, we do have a lot of credits to play around with. That's very interesting. Let's go back to our main project here. Okay, just going to say that for now. And what we want to do, okay, here we go. So we've got the hobby plan, available credits. Okay, so it looks like right now the only option you have is the free version. So upgrading to producer, that's coming soon. So right now we have 1,000,000 credits, and I'm assuming that that's fairly unlimited. Getting through 1,000,000 credits, it doesn't seem like I used any credits just doing that first song. But right now it is only limited to 2 minutes. That's the most that you can get out of it. But I think that they might be onto something very interesting here with Mozart AI. It's still in beta, so we'll have to wait to see what's coming down the pipe for them. But as far as something that you might want to take a look at if you're into music generation and you're curious what's coming, Mozart AI is doing something interesting. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you'll get $50 to open up an account. Also, if you refer your friends and family, you will get $125 per referral. I could personally vouch for this. Simply Financial is a great bank. It is a great deal. Check it out. Check to see if it's available in your area.